My vlog. It's cooking time. I cook pinakbet today. May garlic, onion, meat, bagoong sauteed shrimp. And my vegetable is sitaw, okra in Tagalog, but lady finger in long beans. Ang palaya in talong, pumpkin, kalabasa in Tagalog, eggplant in bitter. That's my menu today. Pinakbet. Very long time I did not cook pinakbet. How many months? I think last year. My last cook pinakbet last year. I think. To saute the meat properly before I put all the vegetables here. And then I'll put this later when the meat is sauteed properly. I'll put this shrimp, sauteed shrimp. While I'm sauteing the meat, I'm gonna cut the vegetables and clean it. Some of the vegetable is rich in nutrients, vitamins, minerals, high in fiber. Especially the ladyfinger, good for the blood circulation, to control blood sugar, blood pressure. Pumpkin is good for skin health and eye health. The high in fiber, the long beans in the ladyfinger, and also the palaya, bitter gourd. We call it bitter gourd in Anyway guys, that's all. If you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave ako ng suggestion, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much guys. This is my pumpkin. Here's my ladyfinger. Here's my bitter gourd and eggplant. If you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment as a question. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much, guys.